Hello everyone, welcome to ECMN 206. This is a fully online 16-week theory course. This video is meant to help you guys get familiar with what's expected of you for this theory course. The first assignment is in Module 1, so go over to the weekly modules. You'll see this introduction video. In Module 1, you're asked to go to the Course Information tab, menu option on the left-hand side, and become familiar with the course. In here, you'll see the course objective, the course syllabus, which you should review, the information for your instructor, the outline for the whole semester, start dates for each module. When a module starts, you should try and complete that module within the week. There are no technical due dates. This schedule will tell you when there is a discussion or when there is a test or a quiz in that module. Here you will also see a breakdown of the grading scale, your course textbook, and the discussion grading breakdown. Okay, keep in mind there are only 8 discussions for this course, so the grading will be a little bit more strict than last semester. The weekly modules, so in Module 1 is this first assignment. Okay, there's a review sheet and a PowerPoint similar to all of the other modules or the combination of 2 modules. There's also a discussion and then the quiz. That should all be completed within a week. For modules that don't have a discussion or a test or a quiz, like Module 2. So here, Chapter 1 in the textbook, you guys should really put some time in, try and do some of the review questions in the chapter, read through the chapter and become familiar with the topics. The publisher's PowerPoints will not have all the answers to the review sheet. The review sheet from this module will carry over to Module 3. In Module 3, you will see the review, the Test 1 review PowerPoint, where you could finish that review sheet. Again, this is the publisher's PowerPoint, a link to a website that does a really great job explaining proportional, integral, and derivative control methods. You should review all content and complete the review sheet prior to attempting any test or quiz. Likewise, in Modules 4 and 5. So Module 4 does not have a quiz or a test. It also does not have a discussion. So here you will print off the review sheet, review the chapter PowerPoint, try your best to get in and read some of that chapter, do some of the review questions, and then in Module 5, where Quiz 2 is the review PowerPoint for the quiz, which will help you finish the review sheet, along with the discussion and the publisher's PowerPoint. Other things that are worth knowing, My Grades is where you can check your grades at any point in time to see what assignments you might not have a grade for yet. That means you should complete those assignments. And then Contact Instructor is where you can go to look up your instructor's email information and get in touch with them. Welcome to ECMN 206. Please begin with the first module.